you can still earn money as a freelancer without having any skills. So you had hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you're welcome and I'm so glad to have you here. My name is Opeyemi and on this YouTube channel I discuss everything about having a better finance, making more money online and being the best of yourself financially. And so today's video is going to be a very short one. What I want to discuss with us today is that in my last video I discussed with us some top ways, five top ways where we can make more money online in 2022. In one of it I discussed freelancing doing, which is what I'm into and I'm still doing. And in my last video I promised that I'm going to be putting up a video on how to start up on Fiverr, but for some reason I couldn't put it up, and that's because I want to use my phone. I'm still using my phone now, so I want to use my phone to do the screen recording. But when I did the recording, I found out that it's tiny, so you cannot see it very well. So what I decided to do is that I'm going to leave a link, a YouTube channel of a friend that discuss every details about starting out on Fiverr in the description button and the description below. I'm going to be leaving about two channels that you can visit and you have everything you ever need to know about starting out on Fiverr. So you are going to check if you are interested in starting out on Fiverr, you need to check the description below, and that is it. And then the second thing I want to discuss with you, which is very important today, is that if at all, if you have interest in starting out as a freelancer, you want to start freelancing, and you don't have any skill at all, so I'm going to tell you that I got you covered. Yeah, if you don't have any skills you want to offer as a freelancer, I'll tell you that you can still earn money as a freelancer without having any skill. You can still earn money as a freelancer without having any skills. So you had me right. Yes, all you need to know is to know everything how freelancing works, then get to it and you see, and yes, you can begin to earn money. That is it. So ways you can make money without having a skill as a freelancer is drop servicing. Yeah, it is called drop servicing, and it is just you being a medium between a client and and the person that delivers the job. You know, as a freelancer, you get to offer any skills. I mean, any skills you can offer, from writing to website design to website development. I mean, to any and any skills that it is that can be offered remotely. That's what freelancers do. They work remotely online. So if you don't have any skill to offer, you have interest in earning through freelancing, yeah, that is also okay. It is okay. So you can go into what I just mentioned now, drop servicing. All you need to do is to know how to get clients. So when you get clients that needs a specific or that needs a specific job to be done, you get the job, then you give it to a professional hand that can handle it. Now this that I'm discussing with you is something that I am doing myself, because coming to this year I decided that I don't want to. I want to focus on some other things. So any job that I'm getting, I'm giving it out to somebody else to help me handle it, and then I pay the person out of the money that the client pays me, and then the rest of the money is mine. So that's what job servicing is all about. But one thing you must also know is that if you want to do job servicing, of course you must have a specific skill. You can't just be say you can't be open from one skill to another. Let me use writing as an example, because that's what I do. Yeah, there are other skills you can offer. There's graphic design, there's website design. I mean, there are a whole lot of them. You can check on Google services you can offer as a freelancer. So you have a whole lot of them on Google. So now I as a freelance writer, if I get a job and I don't want to do it myself, all I need to do is to get and this is where the issue is. You have to get a professional hand, somebody that can do it very well. One thing that can make you successful in freelancing work is that you deliver quality job always. So you have to know how to deliver quality job always. So in you trying to earn money without a skill, you don't give it to somebody that cannot handle it. You have to give it to a professional hand. Now, for example, as a writer, if it is possible for me, because I want to deliver a quality work, if the person I'm going to be giving the job to is going to be getting for me as much as 8 naira per word, 10 naira per word, then I have to give it to it in as much as the client pays me something that can pay writer as much as that. then I go ahead and do it because I have to submit a professional, I have to submit a quality work for my clients. If you don't submit a quality work for your no client is going to come back to you. So submitting, getting the work with the job done very well and in a quality way is very, very important. So you don't have any skill to offer, yeah, you can do that. You can know how to get job from clients, and when you get the job from clients, you give it to somebody that can do it. So that is what job servicing is all about. So I'm trying to give an example of myself. Yeah, coming to this year, I decided that I'm not going to be doing writing job myself. I'm just going to be giving it to somebody, and that been so easy for me. All I need to do is to get a good hand that can handle the job. They get the job done, I pay them, and I get the rest of the profit for myself. It is possible for you to get a job that can pay you as much as 300,000 in 1 gig. Yeah, of course I've gotten that kind of that kind of job before. It is possible for you to get that kind of job, and all that you might need to pay your writer or the person that is doing the service for you might not be more than 100,000 naira. So if you get to pay your writer 100,000 naira out of 300,000 naira, then I think 200,000 is a good profit. Although if you are using a platform like Fiverr, Fiverr has its percentage that they're going to deduct from the money. That Fiverr, because I use Fiverr deduct like 20%, but that is still a very good one. If you take 20% from that your money, and you will still have at least 100,000 naira as a profit to yourself. So I think that makes a lot of sense. So if you think freelancing is a way to go, even when you don't have any skill, yes, you can try job servicing. I will be dropping more details on job servicing on this channel. I said that today's video I want it to be a short one, so that is it. So I hope this helps you. I hope you can go ahead despite all fears. I hope you can put away all fears of I don't know how to do that, I don't know how to do that, and get out there and make some cool cash for yourself online. Thank you for watching to this time. You understand how we do it. You understand how we do it on this channel. We are still going. So thank you for watching to this time. Please, I would like you to share with your family and friends. Comment, subscribe, like, share the videos, and then it's going to make me to be doing more. Yeah, there are still a lot of stores that I want to discuss with us. A lot of stores. Yeah, part of it I'm going to be explaining job services in details for us. How you can package yourself, how you can position yourself enough to get clients that can pay you while you give the jobs out. So if that is what you will be loving, please stay tuned, share the videos, like, subscribe. You understand the way we do it. I love you. Thank you for coming to this channel. I love you so, 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 so much. Bye bye.